Did you know you can draw this easily? This tutorial will help you level up your skills. For the sketch part, you can check out this tutorial or use my stems from Patreon to follow along more easily. For this drawing, I'm using the basic Procreate brushes along with my custom full brush set, which you can grab on my Patreon. As a little gift, I've also included 3 background stems. I'm working on 9 by 9 inches canvas, and you can find more technical details in the description below the video. Definitely check them out before you start drawing. Let's jump in. Create a new layer and move it under the sketch. Select a soft orange color and the white charcoal brush from the charcoals group. I like using this brush for quick coloring the base shapes. I like the texture on the edges of the shape. Try different sizes of the brush. For the fur, you can try to use a basic brush from the, for example, organic group or the materials group. Or even better, grab my custom brush set on Patreon, perfect for fluffy animals and hair. Let's begin with number 1. Maybe even bigger. I love coloring, it's so relaxing, so I speed it up a bit for you, but if you are like me, take your time. Create a new layer below and pick a pink color and the white charcoal brush. Draw the ears. Next, create a new layer above and pick a bright orange. Draw the pop. Then switch back to the first orange. You can hold your finger on the screen to grab it or select it from your color palette. Now let's create another new layer above the body for the remaining puffs. Choose the bright orange again. Create a new layer above the body base, tap on clipping mask. This keeps your drawing inside the shape. For variety, try using my full brush number 2. With the bright orange, add some stripes or spots on tail and body. Then use a slightly brighter color. And also a darker one. Mixing lots of tones and brush sizes gives your drawing more depth. Now grab the smudge tool with the wine charcoal brush and gently blend it. Keep as much texture as you like. We will add more layers of fur later, which will give your character even more volume and a fluffy look. Create another layer above. Pick the dark color and the medium airbrush from the airbrushing group. Draw a gentle shade with a bigger brush size. Don't forget to tap on clipping mask. If there is no source of light, you can choose where it comes from. For my drawing, the light goes from the top right corner, so I'm drawing the shade mostly on the left side of the body and the tail. Add some shading under the puffs as well. And above the nose. I like to add some texture in the shade using the smudge tool. Try the full brush for this. Then lower the opacity here, tap on the N first. You can smudge it slightly again with the wine charcoal brush. You can see a nice effect here. Using a lot of layers is a great way to build volume around shaping, and it allows you to adjust each layer easily without affecting others, which is great. I will just fix a few gaps here. Don't worry if you need to adjust things as you go, that's all part of the process. Create a new layer above the paws and set it to clipping mask. Pick a bright color and a wine charcoal brush. Also add a touch of white. Smudge it slightly. Create another layer, tap clipping mask. Pick a grayish color and draw a shade here using medium airbrush. Soften it with an eraser using the same brush. I like to draw the shade stronger first and then soften it. It gives me better control over the final results. If you are having fun so far, you can continue on my Patreon. The link is below the video. You will learn how to draw a perfect nose and big eyes with colored iris, how to make a real fluffy tail. We will add a simple background so it looks like the grass is surrounding the cat, and you can apply what you learned to any drawing. If it feels tricky, try the beginner version of this cat first. Once you've built some confidence, join me again for this tutorial. See you next time!